Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X20, and today I'll show you how to put the device into fastboot mode. And to get started, hold power key and select power off. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume up at the same time. So there we go. Power key, volume up. Once you see the CUBOT logo, let go of the power, but keep holding volume up. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode, so you can let go of both of the keys. So from here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down in order to select Reboot to Bootloader, confirm it with power key. And there we go, we are now in fastboot mode, which is visible right at the bottom. It is cut out a little bit, as you can see the curve of the screen cuts it out. But that is the fastboot mode. So that is how you boot into it. And to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key till the screen turns off. So you're basically looking for fastboot mode to disappear from the screen. There we go. And it looks like the device does not turn on automatically, so let's press power key once more to turn it back on. There we go. And we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.